Have you ever wondered how black holes are born? These mysterious cosmic monsters don't just appear out of nowhere. They are created in the final violent moment of the massive stars in the universe. Every star, including our sun, is a massive glowing ball of gas, mostly made of hydrogen. In its core, the star fuses hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy. That energy pushes outward, while gravity pulls everything inward. As long as these two forces are balanced, the star lives a stable and active life. But eventually, stars run out of the fuel. And for very massive stars, much larger than the Sun, this is where things turn dramatic. Without fusion to support it, gravity takes over. The star collapses inward in a massive explosion called a supernova. In just seconds, the outer layer bursts into space, while the core shrinks rapidly. If the remaining core is at least 3 times more massive than our Sun, something extraordinary happens. The collapsing core continues to shrink, smaller and smaller, until it forms a black hole. A point in a space so dense and so heavy that nothing, not even light, can escape its gravity. This point of no return is called the event horizon. Anything that crosses this boundary is gone forever, pulled into a one-way journey to the unknown. Black holes may sound terrifying, but they are one of the universe's most fascinating creations. They shape galaxies, bend time, and push the limits of physics itself.